Continuing our discussion on percent word problems, let's look at the next question. A car was sold for $1,200, which was 20% of the original price. Find the original price of the car. We need to take part of the problem and translate it into an equation. Okay, so we could say that 20% of the original price is the sale price. Now, let's use our keywords and translate this. But before we do, we need to convert 20% into 0.2 or 0.20. All right, of means your multiplication symbol. Now, what is our unknown? What are we looking for? Right, we're looking for the original price of the car. Therefore, the original price is our unknown. To finish the translation, your is represents the equal sign, and the sale price was given as $1,200. To solve this equation, would you divide or multiply? Correct. You would divide. In this case, divide both sides by 0.20. Or you could use 0.2. That's fine. Now, off to the side, let's divide 1,200 by 0.2. Move each decimal point one place to the right. Add one more zero inside the house. So, simple division, and we have our answer. Therefore, the original price of the car is $6,000 exactly. The original price should be, if you think about it, should be more than the sale price. So if it is not, check your setup and your work. Let's look at the next question. Number 4, Joe buys a shirt for $22.50. The sales tax rate is 6%. Find the total purchase price. Well, think about when you go to the store and buy something. How does the cashier incorporate the sales tax into your purchase? Yeah, the sales tax rate is actually used to multiply. So that's what we'll do to find the amount of sales tax. Multiply $22.50 and be careful, you still need to change your percent into a decimal, or think of it as 6 cents on the dollar. Okay, so we'll multiply carefully. The amount of sales tax came up to $1.35. However, we are looking for the total purchase price. So we need to add the sales tax to the original price of the shirt. So $22.50 plus $1.35. Therefore, the total purchase price, tax included, is $23.85. Again, I cannot stress enough the importance of changing your percent into a decimal. I have one more example to go over with you, and it involves a circle graph. So let's move on to the next question. And let me pan out here so you can read the whole thing. By the way, I will include PDF files of the worked out solutions in case you missed something in the video. Number 5, the circle graph shows the percent of Miss Jackson's students who earned an A for each of the 4 grading periods during the school year. If Miss Jackson taught 150 students, how many students earned an A during the third quarter? All right, so we need to find the percentage associated with the third quarter. So if we look at the circle graph, we notice that 32% of the students in the third quarter earned an A. So we need to set up our problem as a percent problem. So we'll take 32%. We're essentially trying to find 32% of 150. Translation into a partial equation would work here. Again, change your percent into 0.32. And you know that of translates to the multiplication symbol. We just multiply our numbers to get the answer. Basically, our final answer, 48 students earned an A during the third quarter. I hope these examples help you with your own homework/practice. Remember, you can use 2 main methods, translating into an equation, or you can use a proportion. Or you can also, as I've illustrated in these videos, you can use shortcuts as well. Thank you.